Alright, I need to talk about the Easy Battery Fix program because I'm actually a little mad I didn't find this sooner. I was literally about to drop $100 on a new battery for this Ryobi drill. It was totally dead, wouldn't charge. I was over it. I saw an ad for this program and I was like, fixing a battery at home? Sounds like a total scam. But I thought, what's the harm? It's already junk, right? So I followed their steps. And they are surprisingly simple. They use just basic stuff you probably already have, like a cheap multimeter and some simple connections. No fancy gear. After a quick cycle, bam! This thing is now fully charged and holding a charge like it's brand new. Seriously, this drill is back in the game. Since then, I fixed my kid's old Power Wheels battery and even the rechargeable pack for our cordless vacuum. All saved. I've easily kept over $300 in my pocket this month. This is the ultimate hack for fighting back against planned obsolescence and just saving money in general. Seriously, stop buying and start fixing. If you have any dead batteries sitting around your car, your laptop, tools, you have to try this. Go check out the Easy Battery Fix program now. It is 100% worth it.